Hello, everyone. I am back, and I hope that you guys had a great weekend. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another review of List Infinity, and we're going to talk about how to start generating 300 plus per day online while building your email list. And I took the weekend off. Monday was a holiday, but we're back today. And what I wanted to do is basically give people a little bit of information about what List Infinity is all about, because some people are a little bit confused about what the product is and how it works, or just about what capture pages are. So we're going to get a little bit into detail about that information today. But right now, what I want to do is show proof that the system works. And this is not to boast, but to show you what is possible when you are consistent. And if you guys don't know, I have been using pretty much free traffic of with the training that they provide for you to get these results. And what I'm noticing is that it's really consistent over the time that I've been promoting this opportunity. Now, I have been in List Infinity for a while now. It's been about a year that I've been actively promoting this opportunity, almost a year. And I have other opportunities that I promote, but I decided to focus on this because of not only the price point, the training that's involved with this opportunity, and the results. It's the proof is in the pudding that it works if you decide to use it and you remain consistent. So I had a $25 payment come in, and someone they wanted to get started and they couldn't afford to come in at the higher levels. But it's all about sometimes just getting started and then working your way up to where you want to be as you put more time and effort into the system. So here I had $100. I had another $100 here, $100, and as you can see, it's really consistent. I have covered up the personal information, just not to expose people's email addresses. But as you can see, the payments are coming in. And one of the things that I realize is that the more consistent I am with utilizing the system and just posting information about the system, it is producing results consistently. And that doesn't mean you're going to get signups every day, okay? But what you want to do is you want to have consistency with the amount of emails that are coming into your email list. Now, for those who are not don't really know what an email list is or how it works, we're going to go over some of that information today and what this system is all about. So let's go ahead and get into the back office really quick. And we're going to talk about the system, okay, and how it works and how it produces an income. So List Infinity is not only just a way to have an income, a full-time income to produce results. It's a work from home online opportunity. It's called affiliate marketing. And what we're doing as affiliate marketers is we're selling the product. Now, what is the product? The product is List Infinity. It's the training, the educational modules that you get, the capture pages that you get, the sales page. And what you're doing is you're paying to be an independent contractor because you work for yourself, right? You're getting the reseller license to go out and tell everyone about List Infinity. And each person that decides to get involved with List Infinity, you're going to get paid for. So you are basically paying for something once because you can pay either $25, $50, or $100 one time. And what that's going to do is allow you to bring in unlimited amount of payouts for the system, depending on what level you get coming at. So if you come in at the 25, you're going to be now able to collect unlimited $25 payments for each person that comes in. You pay one time, people pay you, and it could be hundreds of people, it could be thousands, it could be just a handful of people. But what we're going to do is we're going to start to accumulate traffic, which is bodies, people, eyeballs to this opportunity so that they can get involved. Everyone is not going to join your opportunity. Everyone is not interested in what you have to offer, but it's about collecting a handful of people at a time because that's all you need in order to make a full-time income. I tell people all the time, when I hit my first six figures online, it was only with 50 people. It wasn't no more than 50 active people that was a part of my network. So that just goes to show you how powerful affiliate marketing can be. Now, when you come in and when you sign up, please make sure that when you join with your free account, it comes up as me as your referrer. When you sign up at the bottom, it's going to say you were referred by Amanda Ray. If it doesn't say that and it says someone else's name, I will not be your sponsor. And we've had that happen sometimes where people are signing up and they don't realize that the person that they're signing up with is someone else because maybe they looked at it and it cookied another person into the system. So just make sure that it says my name if you want me to be your sponsor, okay? So let's go and start with lead capture pages, okay? The lead capture page is what a person sees when they decide to join this opportunity. And all you're doing is you're collecting an email address for people to be able to be on your email list, and they will start to get emails about your opportunity. So again, List Infinity is a list building system, which allows you to send out emails to people who may be interested in this opportunity. The emails are already done for you. You don't have to go in and create the emails. The emails are a part of your back office. It's a part of your system, okay? So when you start putting in information, you choose the landing page that you want, okay? That is already connected to email swipes that are going to go out to potential buyers, people that want to sign up for a free account or people that want to upgrade to a paid account. Now, what are you selling? You're selling the trainings, you're selling the actual program, okay? So they're going to give you all of this stuff here. This is not for free. This is what you're paying for. You're paying for the lead capture pages. These were created for you, okay? You're paying for the sales page that you're going to get. You're paying for the promotional tools when you make your $25, $50, or $100 purchase. You're paying for the trainings that's going to teach you and show you exactly how to build your email list and how to get your landing page or your capture page in front of potential buyers. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. You can use paid traffic, where you pay to have your link sent out to people, or you can use organic free traffic, where you are building an email list through social media, whether that's TikTok, Instagram, Craigslist, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, whatever platform you decide to use. And the training is going to show you how to start getting people to your link so that they can sign up with you for the $25, $50, or $100 level. And again, the reason why this is so powerful is because you're getting everything that you need and you're only paying once for it, whether it's $25, $50, or $100. Now, if you come in at the $25 level, you cannot collect $50 payouts. You only have access to the $25 level unless you decide to upgrade. If you come in at the $100 level, you have access to the $25 payments, the $50 payments, and the $100 payments because you came in at the top level. Affiliate marketing, let's just look up the definition really quick. What is affiliate marketing? Some people are confused about what it is or how it works. Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commissions to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. So we refer this opportunity to people who may be interested, right? Taking them to the capture page first. And then for each person that joins this opportunity, you get paid for it. But you can't get paid for it unless you first join as a member under one of the 3 levels that they offer, okay? So now how do you promote it? You're going to go through the training modules, and they're going to give you several different ways to promote this opportunity. And based off of your skill set, how much you want to spend, how much time you have to invest in your opportunity is going to make a difference on what type of training you want to apply to start generating traffic. Okay, that's how that works. So, under the trainings, they're going to talk about all of the things that we discuss, and in detail, you're going to learn how to set up your funnel. Um, you're going to learn how to use the system. And not only that, you're going to now be able to collect unlimited payouts from people who decide to be a part of List Infinity. Okay. So as an affiliate marketer, all we're doing is we're becoming a part of someone's opportunity or someone's program. And then we are going out and sharing that information with other people. If there's enough training and it's a powerful system, it's going to convert on its own. You don't have to put a lot of work into it. And List Infinity is a high performing program. It performs well. The capture pages convert, the sales page converts. Okay. And not only that, it is a easy step-by-step program or opportunity that you can set up to get started. You don't need to be a veteran or have a ton of skill set in order to get started with this opportunity. Okay. And that's one of the things that I love about it. And what we're going to do is, with the training that I give you guys, which is going to be over the next week or two, it's going to show you basically how to promote this opportunity using free and paid methods, and how you can start getting and collecting those $25, $50, and $100 payments on a consistent basis, so that you can start building momentum in your business while you're building your email list. So the email list, every time someone puts their email here, it's going to take them to your autoresponder. Okay, the List Infinity provides that for you. An autoresponder is basically where your emails are kept, so that you can always offer them other opportunities, and you can always follow up with them about the opportunity that you're currently promoting. Okay, that's what email list building is all about. It's about collecting tons of emails and allowing the system to send them information about your opportunity on an ongoing basis. The more that you share the opportunity, the more people that see your opportunity, that will start to convert into money. Okay, sales, commissions, payouts, whatever you want to call it. But you have to be very consistent with sending out your link. And that's what you learn through List Infinity, is where to send a link, how often to send a link. Okay, realistic expectations of how the system works and how it can create a full-time income. So I hope that this information has helped you to understand, whoever's watching this, how capture pages work, how sales pages work, how I'm doing so far with the system. And I plan on consistently promoting this, because I think it is really easy for newbies or people who have been failing in the industry and not getting the results that they're looking for. Okay. I love simple systems and things that are easy to get started with, that can help people to start producing results. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, because you'll then be notified every time I upload a new video. I look forward to working with you guys, and have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.